Hello teacher, my name is Tama. Today I talk about lesson. I have a pet. I have a dog. She says woof woof woof. I have a cat. She says meow meow meow. I have a mouse. He says squeak squeak squeak. I have a bird. He says tweet tweet tweet. I have a fish. He says glub glub glub. I have a lion. He says roar roar roar. Goodbye, teacher.